we did not find any murders. In all cases, death or injury were due to natural causes or just bad medical care.
An unprecedented intervention. A panel of world-renowned paediatric specialists say their review of the evidence shows there's no proof Lucy Letby caused any deaths or injuries to babies in her care. The former nurse is serving 15 whole life terms for murdering 7 infants and attempting to murder 7 others between June 2015 and June 2016.
There was evidence to suggest that not only was there problems with the medical care, but there were problems in the hospital with respect to staffing and organization and infrastructure and plumbing and all those issues.
At Letby's trial, prosecutors pointed to skin discoloration in several of the victims as evidence that air had been injected into their veins. But the panel laid out alternative causes of death in many of the cases at the Countess of Chester Hospital.
The main premise of the whole of the prosecution's case in relation to air embolism is wrong and should never have been said. And B, we know how this baby died, or we know how this baby collapsed, and it wasn't at the hands of one individual.
Letby is now represented by a different legal team, and 2 previous attempts at appealing her conviction have failed. Dr. Dowie Evans, the lead prosecution witness, whose evidence has come under close scrutiny, is standing by his testimony. He says he's concerned that some people are getting their facts wrong. The Criminal Cases Review Commission has announced it will now review Letby's case, but warned that speculation has been driven by some parties who've only had a partial view of the evidence.
It's vital that the Criminal Cases Review Commission reviews this evidence and any other evidence as carefully and as thoroughly as possible, because there isn't going to be another chance for many years. It will take months for them to review the case, and it will take several months after that, I dare say, for an appeal to be arranged.
There is an ongoing public inquiry into the murders Lucy Letby has been convicted of and how the hospital responded. The former nurse was convicted after a 5-year investigation and 2 trials. For the parents of the victims in need of closure, the panel's findings ask yet more questions that need to be answered.